Hey everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for my first ever weekly plan with me in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. And this week I am going to use stickers from According to Allie. This is her 2024 sticker sheet. Let's get started. Okie dokie. First thing I'm gonna do is sit in my chair, and Lucy is actually sitting on the back of my chair so that anyway, okay. What am I first going to put down? I think, now she's trying to shove me off of the chair. So I'm putting down one of these alcohol inks from According to Allie, and then I'm gonna put one of these washi strips right across. They kind of look like racing stripes. Yes, there is some nervousness with decorating this, and what I've immediately noticed is actually the A5 is narrower than the Cousin, because this is the pencil board for the Hobonichi Cousin, and it's wider than the pages in the Sterling Ink. So interesting. I'm gonna place this maybe right here. There we go. And then probably place the big 2024. I'm gonna put it down here actually with one of these alcohol inks. Oh, I love that. It's huge. And then this big sticker. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And I know I would have normally used that bottom part for meals, but I think I like the symmetry between the two, having one up here, and then I forgot to put this. Oh boy. So I think I'm actually going to, is this possible for me to lift this up? If it is, woo, but I don't think it will be. That's okay. I think what I'll actually do is, it just looks off there. So I'm wondering if I save one of these for like the daily pages. I think I will actually. So I'll save some of these stickers for the daily page in the back, and then that way it won't be too overloaded. So I'm going to put, let's see, we can do the Happy New Year. Oops. We can do, the Happy New Year right here or right up here. Although it feels like a lot. It feels like a lot, but I think it would also be a lot if I do, now let's see. Okay. Thinking in my head. I think I'm overthinking this. I'm making it more difficult than it ought to be. It shouldn't be this difficult. I've decorated a spread like this before, and I think there's always going to be that nervousness when decorating your first spread in a new planner. Just need to stop overthinking it and just plan like I normally would, because really the layout is not that different. It's just there's always some pressure when it comes to decorating a new planner. And I think I'm going to let myself just put that there and be totally okay with it. So for this week, I will not be using that section for meal planning, and that's okay. So I'm gonna save the rest of these for the daily spread. And then what I think I'll do is actually add a little thing up there. I know, I think I have a few more of these actually somewhere. Let's cut like this. That's risky because knowing me, I probably cannot cut straight. So let's put it right across the top. Actually, I'm gonna have to flip the book upside down because I'm gonna put this right to the edge. And then Line that up. Perfect. Oh, I do like that. Then, yeah, I think I'm gonna do, this is gonna be a good year. Just little. Okay, so that leaves me 3 stickers for the, oh, I already really like that. Perfect. So then I'm gonna go ahead, get these out of the way here, and write in my sleep. So I'm still gonna track sleep on this side. Sorry, I'm just, I just inked up this pen today. This is my Just Turnings Pastel Primary Manipulation, and it has, oh, it now has an extra fine Architect nib, and it writes beautifully. And the ink I currently have in here is a new one. It is Robert Oster Melbourne Rose. Oh gosh, that's already really pretty. So then the next ink I'm going to use is in my Pelikan M800. This is Sailor Yurameko Kitsune Biore. And just writing down, now this is so wet. This pen and ink combination, but Pelikans are normally quite wet, and this now has a fine cursive smooth italic on here, ground by Jack Hernandez. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, like, this is a day off. I'm actually just gonna leave that, and then starting on Tuesday, back to work. Actually really thankful that this is only a 3-day work week. So writing in my work schedule. How do I want to do this? Do I want to go over? Let's try it like this first. Okay, I'm okay with that. And then do the same on Thursday. Yeah, I'm still testing out whether I'm going to draw the arrow over the hours on the side themselves or just leave it like that. I think I'm okay with it like that for now. Then I need a, here we go, blotter paper, because knowing me, I will smudge the heck out of everything. And oh gosh, these nibs are gorgeous. Whoops. Perfect. So then I'm gonna start adding things in here, like, let's grab my icons. So this sticker album is also from According to Allie, and if you use code Karina10, you can get 10% off her stickers as well as her sticker album. So putting that here, and that will be to put out the garbage bins. Someone commented in a previous video that they felt like this reminder was for them too. Totally get it. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, oh, Thursday is pick up groceries. I'm trying to be really good about using all of the icons and not buying more, no matter how tempting that is, because as you can see, I have a full binder, full album of icons. Pick up groceries. I am going to leave Friday open because I haven't decided whether I am going to something in the morning, but I know in the afternoon I'm going to be filming. So grabbing more stickers off the side here. My desk is a wonderful plethora of mess at the moment, and that's okay with me. Let's see, YouTube. I'm gonna use the pink one. I haven't used these in forever. Place that in the afternoon, because I don't think I actually have anything else going on that day. So that will be to film. And there are a couple things that I will need to film. So for example, the weekly. Then there is the flip through. There's a couple of flip throughs I need to film. And then the currently inked. Okay. Then I'm jumping around here, getting ahead of myself. But the way that I've been using my planner recently, I have not, or I've put in to-do lists and things like that, but I also fill it in like a memory planner or memory keeper, and I really enjoy being able to use it like that. So then laundry, I will probably fold laundry Wednesday and also probably Saturday or Sunday. I'm doing laundry twice a week now, and that's okay. Oops, put that down. So fold laundry, and it's so satisfying being able to finish a sticker sheet. And then using the other pen to fold laundry. Whoa. I'm already noticing that this ink is very, very wet on this paper. And I know this is the new San Tomoe River paper. So I haven't been too concerned about the differences between the old Tomoe River paper and this Tomoe River paper. It actually works fine for me. So, okay, then Ninja for Henry. There we go. What ink or what pen am I using? 1130. Perfect. Then what we will also do that day is go to Mass at 9:30. And then those are all the plans that I have so far. I'm gonna keep it pretty open. I actually really like the look of this so far. Let me clean up everything. So there's the overall finished spread, really pretty, ready to go for the week. And the way that I've been using my spreads recently, I want to show you my most recent spread in my Hobonichi Cousin. The weekly spread is now really just about filling in what I do on a day-to-day basis. And I had my husband look at this actually, and he said, "You do so much in a day," but really it's just about making note of even just the little things. You know, I worked on orders, I swatched all my bottled inks, I folded laundry, I gave Lucy a bath, we had a family dinner, we played the card game and watched home movies, you know, my PenChalet arrived. So it's just keeping track of little things. And I know some people say there's not enough in my day to fill it out. That's okay. Sometimes where I've had like nothing really happen in that part of the day, I think what I've done is actually just place, trying to find it here. You can see I didn't really use these as much, but sometimes I will just put, oh, come on. I know there's an example here. But like if there's a day where nothing's really happened, I'll just put a sticker in the middle of that day, and it'll just add a little bit of something to that. But I really like the way that these are turning out, and I hope to continue that in my Sterling ink planner. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope this helps you feel not so nervous about moving into a new planner in 2024. I know we're both excited and nervous to start a new planner, and we're afraid of screwing it up. If we do screw it up, we just turn the page and then move on to the next week. But also I find that when I look back on mistakes, I just see it as part of what happened that week. That was part of a memory from that week. So I don't let it get to me too much. All right, once again, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you had a lovely holiday season and a happy new year to you all.